So you guys can see right here that this is a payment of $9.75, and if I scroll down again, you're gonna see this is another payment of $9.75. And if I keep on scrolling and scrolling in, you guys are gonna notice that the money keeps on coming in and coming in. And all this money was actually made by watching video games from the comfort of my home. But before I literally show you guys the name of the website, let me show you how much you could literally earn from this website. If I come over right here to the website, you guys are gonna notice that on average you could actually earn about $6.79 every single day. This website have actually paid out $500,000 to its users. We also head over to Trustpilot. You guys are going to notice that this app has an excellent review, and if I scroll down a bit, you guys are going to notice that a lot of people are actually giving this app 5-star reviews, and this is another 5-star reviews. And if I keep on scrolling and scrolling, you guys are going to notice that this app is actually getting 5-star reviews to tell you that this app is actually legit and you could actually make money from the app. So let's just quickly read this guy's comment. So this guy said this app actually got him his first withdrawal, to tell you that a lot of people are actually making money. You can see right here that this review was actually made 6 hours ago, to tell you that a lot of people are actually cashing out from this website. So all you need to do right here is just click on the start earning button. So once you click on the start earning button, it's going to take you over to this page right here. So you'll be actually like fill out your email address, confirm your password, then confirm if you're not a robot. Then once you're done with that, just click on the sign up button. Once you're done creating an account on the website, this is how your account is going to look like. Next thing to do right here is just head over to the end button right here at the left corner right here. So once you click on the end button, it's going to actually take you straight to this page, and all you need to do right here is just scroll down a little bit and head over to this place where it says watch stream. So once you click on it right here, it's going to load up a bunch of videos that you could actually watch. So you could see right here that there's a lot of videos right here that we could actually watch right here, and we're going to be getting paid from this video. So I'm just going to be clicking on a video right here. So once you click on a video right here, it's going to ask you to actually verify that you are not a robot. So all you need to do right here is just click on this caption button, and once you click on the caption button, it's going to start playing. So your money is going to be added into your balance right here. Right here that I just got $2 for actually watching this video right now. The money has been added into my balance. So let me quickly show you guys how you could literally maximize your income on this website. So all you need to do right here is you just open this video right here into multiple tabs, and once you open the video into multiple tabs, you could watch a lot of videos, and once you watch a lot of videos, your point is going to be accumulated into your balance. There you could literally earn some extra cash for yourself. So the best option for you right here is to actually make use of a system to actually access this app, be able to earn more money by actually doing that. And guys, if you know you're enjoying the video so far and you haven't hit this like button, please make sure you hit the like button and don't forget to smash the subscribe button. The minimum payout section right here for this app is actually $2, which is quite great. So once you already have $2 into your account, you could just make a withdrawal, and you can see right here this app has a 24/7 customer support. So if in case you're having issues, you could actually reach out to their customer support right here. Let me quickly show you guys how you can literally withdraw your money. So all you need to do right here is just click on the menu bar. So once you click on the menu bar, you're going to be heading over to the withdraw section. So once you click on the withdraw section, you're going to see different kind of payout option. You're going to see PayPal, Bitcoins, Litecoins, Amazon gift card, and other various payment methods. All you need to do right here is just choose your preferred payment method. For me, it's actually PayPal, but for those of us that might be watching this video from the third world country like Nigeria, Africa, South Africa, and all of that, you guys might not actually have PayPal because PayPal is not supported in this kind of country. So the best payment option for you is actually use Litecoin, Bitcoins, or you could either withdraw your money into using the Amazon gift card. You just head over to Binance.com to create an account. Then from there, you could actually access your Litecoins wallet. So you could just click on the Litecoin section. So once you click on this Litecoin section, they're going to ask you to like input your Litecoins wallet address. Then you could, like I said earlier, you could get that from Binance. So you could just like paste in your address right here. Then you're going to be clicking on the minimum amount you want to withdraw, which is 2,000 coins. So 2,000 coins right here on this website is actually $2. So once you click on that right here, just click on the withdraw button. So once you click on the withdraw button, your money is going to be sent straight into your Binance account. From your Binance account, you could actually transfer the money straight into your local bank account. And again, guys, there are various ways you could actually make money from this app. It's not about you just watching videos alone. This app has various methods you could actually use to make money. Like you could see right here, you could actually make money by actually listening to music. You could make money by actually taking part in quiz surveys. You could also make money by actually referring your friends. So anytime you refer your friends and your friends signs up using your link right here, you're going to be getting paid. You guys are going to be getting paid from it. That's why I really love this app so much, because it has various kind of opportunities for you to actually make money online. So guys, if you know you haven't smashed the subscribe button, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button right here, and don't forget to give this video a like. Share this video to your friends and family that could also benefit from this video. So feel free to drop your boy a comment, and also if you know you want to ask me any question, feel free to drop your comment, and I'm going to be answering all your questions in the comment section. Like I said, the links to the app is going to be in the video description, and also you can also check out the link in the pinned comment section. You guys should make sure you use my link to sign up, so you're going to be getting a welcome bonus anytime you sign up with my link. Guys, last but not the least, feel free to go join our WhatsApp community down in the description. So once you click on the link in the description, it's going to take you straight to our WhatsApp community group. So anytime I drop awesome video like this, you're gonna be the first person to be notified. Like I said earlier, all the links to all the things I've mentioned in the video are gonna be down in the video description, and also you can also check out the pinned comment section. And also if you want to learn more apps that you can use to make money online, feel free to click on the video popping right here on your screen, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.